In this video, I'll show you how to build a game with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate game ideas, logic, and code using AI. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a game. For example, I might type, "Create a simple browser-based game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate the game code, which may include the game logic, visuals, and user interactions. If I want a more advanced game, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the type of game, levels, scoring system, or animations. For example, I might type, "Create a simple shooting game with scoring, levels, and sound effects." Claude can also help explain how the game works, fix bugs, or improve gameplay by adding new features. Once the game code is ready, I can copy or download the content and save the files on my computer. After that, I can open the game in my browser or development environment to play and test it. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to build a game. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.